Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about a very useful word. The word is agenda. What does agenda mean? An agenda is a list. It is a plan. It tells us what to do. An agenda is a plan for your day or your meeting. It helps you know what comes next. When do we use an agenda? We use it at school, at work, and at home. It helps us everywhere. At school, teachers use an agenda. They write what students will learn today. It keeps the class organized. At work, people have meetings. They use an agenda to know what to talk about. Everyone knows the plan. At home, families use agendas too. They plan their day. They write down chores and activities. What is on an agenda? An agenda has topics. It has times. It has names of people. It has tasks to do. An agenda helps us stay organized. When we have a plan, we do not forget things. We finish our work on time. There are different types of agendas. Some are for daily tasks. Some are for meetings. Some are for events. A daily agenda is for one day. You write what you will do in the morning, afternoon, and evening. A meeting agenda is for a group. It lists the topics people will discuss. Everyone knows what to expect. An event agenda is for special occasion. It could be for a party, a wedding, or a conference. How do you make an agenda? It is easy. Follow these simple steps. First, write the topics. Think about what you need to do. Write each task or topic down. Second, organize the order. Put the most important things first. Arrange everything in a good order. Third, set the time. Decide how long each task will take. Write the time next to each item. Fourth, share the agenda. Give it to the people who need it. Everyone should see the plan. Now, follow your agenda. Check each item as you finish it. This feels good and keeps you on track. Why should you use an agenda? There are many good reasons. An agenda helps you stay focused. You know what to do next. You do not waste time. An agenda saves time. You work faster when you have a plan. You finish more tasks. An agenda helps you remember tasks. You will not forget important things. Everything is written down. An agenda is for everyone. Kids can use it. Students can use it. Workers and parents can use it too. You can use a digital agenda or a paper agenda. A digital agenda is on your phone or computer. A paper agenda is in a notebook. Both work well. Here is a word science tip. Start small. Make a simple agenda for tomorrow. Write 3 things you want to do. Practice using an agenda every day. The more you use it, the easier it becomes. Make your own agenda today. Plan your day. You will feel more organized and happy. Keep learning new words with Wordscience. We make learning fun and easy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.